Hi guys, welcome to today's Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, I just want to go over the Kiwi dollar in a little bit more depth. Obviously, I talked about it in the Forex market outlook, but I'm just going to specifically focus on New Zealand versus the US dollar. And the reason being is because this is the sort of perfect reversal pair in terms of what I look for when looking for a trend to maybe be about to change. So obviously the trend is very much up right now. We're making higher highs, higher lows. That is likely to continue until obviously we see that weakness start to creep in, whether we start seeing lower lows or lower highs. The last time we had a strength and weakness signal was to actually buy Kiwi dollar, which was down around about the 1st of April. So around here we actually had different extremes. So at the moment the extreme is +7 to the New Zealand dollar because it is strong, and -7 to the US dollar. Now, the last time it was inversed, so Kiwi being -7 and the US dollar being +7, was around about the 1st of April this year, and we can see what happened after that fact. A really nice move to the upside formed after that point. So now we've got that extreme signal coming into play once again. I want to be looking for potential reversal opportunities. Not only that, did a little bit of research on the commitment of traders, and the commercials short contracts increased by 23% now. The commercials are basically people that are looking to not profit out of the markets. They're basically buy or sell on value. When a market is typically falling, they will buy more of a currency. When the market is rallying to the upside, they will sell more of the currency. And the short contracts are now at all-time highs for the last 6 and 18 months. So this is looking quite good for a potential shorting opportunity right here. Obviously as well, we spoke in depth about the seasonality and that the US dollar could be about to turn as well. So we've got all these factors in place, which is great. We just need to see the technicals come into it, and we obviously already discussed a few technicals, but I'll just go through them again in case anyone hasn't watched that Forex market outlook. But essentially we have this uptrend now in a change in cycle. We want to see lower lows and lower highs start to form, and the current low that we have in place is just this one through here. So what I want to see is the market either, obviously we have a resistance as well, rally and reject this sort of zone up here. We may even see the market rally a little bit further and break out this high in here. So we're either going to see a continued rally for this week, and then maybe towards the end of the week a reversal, or maybe into next week we see that reversal, or we're going to see a reversal this week. So basically I don't want to be buying this currency pair anymore. I just want to be sitting and waiting for the potential reversal setup, because the reversal has got to a point now where it might highly be likely to occur. Okay, so one of the things that we want to look for are those changes in cycles or off resistance. So if it does rally again, I'm just going to be looking for double top patterns or anything like that to suggest we are going to see a rejection. But all in all, what we really need to see is that change in cycle. That will confirm to us that the market is going to move in our favor. You know, the last time, like I said, we had that signal was down in here, you know, around about the 1st of April. Now, the market technically at that point, if I just bring it to the right of the chart, is very much in a downtrend, and you need to wait for that higher high to form in order to confirm our bias. So that's what we got. The market then formed a higher high, which is great. That gives you the confidence to start buying the market on these dips, okay? And then we had that nice rally to the upside forming. Now that we've got a similar situation, I want to wait for those lower lows, lower highs to come into play before we take action on this market. So don't get too involved short in this market just yet. Wait for the price action, wait for the change in trend, wait for those technicals to line up with your bias, okay? Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.